If one root of the quadratic equation kx squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 is 4 times the other, find k. Grace and peace to you all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, we are still doing roots of quadratic equations. Okay, so for this question, we are asked to find the value of k, and we can see that k, according to quadratic form, k is just a, because solution quadratic form is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so from kx squared plus minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, we can see that the value of a is k, then the value of b will be the value of b, that is the coefficient of x here, is minus 5. So the value of b is minus 5. And the value of c, that is term independent of x, is 2. Okay. Now the other thing we know is on finding roots of the quadratic equation, we have sum and product. Okay, so we need to know that sum of roots gives minus b over a, and product of roots gives c over a. Okay, so we have sum of roots is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, and the product of roots, we have alpha beta is equal to c over a. So these are the formulas which we are going to use to solve for k, which is just the value of a. Okay, so here alpha plus beta, you say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b. b is minus 5. So minus and minus 5, you get 5 over a is just k. So 5 over k. Again, we know that one of the roots of this quadratic equation is 4 times the other. So meaning, if alpha is x, because alpha is one of the roots and beta is also the root of the quadratic equation. So if alpha is x, then beta should be 4x. Or if alpha is 4x, beta should be x. So you say, because the other should be 4 times. So say, if alpha is x, so you say x plus, then beta will be 4x. So x plus 4x is equal to 5 over k. What is x plus 4x? Okay, you get 5v, you get 5x is equals to 5 over k. 5 over k. Okay, we can make x to be the subject of the formula here. We'll say over 5, and this side times 1 over 5. So that 5 and 5 you cancel out, then you're going to have x is equal to 5 and 5 you cancel out, so you have 1. 5 and 5 is 1, and 5 is 1. So you get 1 over k. So this is equation 1. Okay, we go to equation 2 for product. alpha beta is equal to C over A. Again here, we know that alpha is X and beta is 4X. So you say it's X times 4X is equal to C. The value of C is 2. So we have 2 over A is K. So 2 over K. Again you say, what is X times 4X? X times 4X, you get 4X squared. So it's 4X squared over, or 4X squared is equal to 2 over K. Okay. Then this is equation 2. Now what we can do is, for equation 1, we've made X to be our subject of the formula. So we can just substitute equation 1 in equation 2, so that we solve for K. Okay. So equation 2 is K X squared. Where there is X, we put X is equal to 1 over K. So where there is X, we put 1 over K. So it will be 1 over, it's 4. Equation 2 is 4X squared is equal to 2 over K. 4X squared is equal to 2 over K. So where there is X, we are going to put 1 over K. So 4, then in brackets, 1 over K squared is equal to 2 over K. Okay, then you square this. 1 squared is just 1 times 4. You get 4 over K squared, that is K squared. So we have 4 over K squared is equal to 2 over K. Okay, so here we have a fraction and a fraction. Yeah, so what we can do here is we can cross multiply. We'll say K squared times 2, you get 2 K squared is equal to 4 times K, you get 4K. Okay, then we'll say this 4K, we'll bring it this side. Here it is positive. When it comes this side, it will be minus. So we are going to have 2K squared minus 4K is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation. So for this quadratic equation, we can solve it by factorization. So we can see that in 2k squared and 4k, we can see that the highest common factor should be 2k. So let's divide out 2k. Okay, so we have 2k. We divide out 2k. 2k squared divided by 2k, you get k. Then minus 4k divided by 2k, you get minus 2. So we have minus 2. Then this is equal to 0. Okay. Now since here there is a product, we have 2k times k minus 2 is equal to 0. If you multiply two terms and the result is 0, it means one of the two terms should be 0. So you say either 2k is equal to 0 or k minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Okay, so here we can just divide out 2. So you say over 2. So it will be k is equal to, this is 2 cancel out, you have k. 0 divided by 2, you get 0, or k is equal to, this is k minus 2. To get rid of minus 2, you add 2 to both sides of the equation. So k is equal to 2. So these these are the possible solutions for k. K is equal to 0 or k is equal to 2. Now, if we look at our initial equations, look at equation 1. X is equal to 1 over k. If we say that k is equal to 0, 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Yes, you cannot divide a number by 0. So k is not our k is equal to 0 is not our solution. So only 2 will be defined according to this sign. Okay. So therefore k is equal to 2. So that's our answer. So always remember that when we are talking about roots of quadratic equations, you should always remember that we have sum and product. Sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, should give us minus b over a. And product of roots, that is alpha times beta, should give us c over a. So those are the substitutions which we need, which we are supposed to be substituting. Yeah, when you are asked to find roots of quadratic equations. Thank you so much for your time.